Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of getting annoying or spam emails in your Hotmail or Outlook inbox, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to block someone on Hotmail Outlook Mail step by step in this full guide. By the end of this video, you'll be able to block any unwanted sender permanently so their emails never bother you again. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Outlook login page, which is now part of Microsoft 365. Sign in using your email address and password to access your inbox. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your main Outlook dashboard. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon for settings. Click on it and scroll down to the very bottom of the settings panel. There, you'll find an option called View All Outlook Settings. Go ahead and click that. Now, in the left sidebar, choose Mail, then select Junk Email from the list of options. Here's where all the magic happens. Under the Block Senders and Domain section, click on the Add button. Type in the email address or domain name that you want to block. After adding the unwanted email, simply click Save at the top right to confirm your changes. From now on, any emails from that address or domain will automatically go to your junk email folder or be blocked completely, depending on your settings. And that's it. You've successfully blocked unwanted senders from your Hotmail Outlook Mail. So that's how you can easily block anyone on Hotmail Outlook Mail in quick, simple, and super effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy email and tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.